Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be attempting to unbox my latest Amazon purchase, and I apologize because this box is rather large. This is the duster, 20-foot duster from the company OPOW, O-P-O-W. And because it's so large, I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to unbox it. So what I'm going to try and do is just dump out everything, show you everything it comes with, and then I'll try and do a demonstration to show you why I bought this item. So it's crazy. They've got a lot of stuff packaged in this box, so bear with me. It's a skinny box. Okay, so I finally got everything out. So we've got a couple different dusting tops. I'm going to show you all of them. Now this device will get up to 20 feet. It's got a telescoping rod in it that goes between 5 and 7 feet. I'm sorry, 5 and 12 feet. It's got a squeegee head. Several different ones. Now I primarily bought it for the traditional duster, but might have a use for some of these other ones. And then you actually get a hanging rack. Not sure how well you're gonna be able to see this. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Cool, so pretty simple. I'm not gonna be able to really show you all of the pole. Let me show you as much of it as I can. Wow, it is nice and sturdy. Again, the company is OPOW, O-P-O-W. So you can basically telescope it by opening these and then sliding your extension pieces out. It is all aluminum, so it should hold up for a long time. And then the nice thing about aluminum is it'll never rust, and it's extremely light. Got some foam grips here, and then again on the end as well. And it's really pretty simple. You basically got to thread it in here that you're going to screw on, and then you're going to screw whichever head you want to use to this end. So I'm just going to grab this one for example. I can angle it, so if I want to loosen this up and use it at an angle, I can. Set it wherever you want, and then tighten your angle. So you can see now I've got a 90-degree angle there. And then just pull out your extension pieces, get it as long as you want. So really nice, especially for somebody like me that has high areas in the house that you're trying to clean. I think this is going to be good. Let's take a look at what it looks like when it's in action. Okay, so I thought it might be beneficial to give you a demonstration of why I bought this item. I've got ledges in my house that are 15 to 20 feet up in the air, and I can't reach them to clean them unless I get a ladder in here and then bring out a dusting cloth. With this thing, all I have to do is I open the attachment, telescope my brush out as far as I need, and I can simply lift it up. Again, it's aluminum, so it's very light, but it's nice and sturdy, and I can dust from the ground. Then once I'm done with it, just telescope it back down and put it away for storage.